Display size. Xiaomi Redmi 10C is 6.71 inches. Vivo Y21 is 6.51 inches. Display resolution. Xiaomi Redmi 10C is 720x1650 pixels with 268 ppi density. Vivo Y21 is 720x1650 pixels with 270 ppi density. Display type. Xiaomi Redmi 10C is IPS LCD display. Vivo Y21 is IPS LCD display. Display protector. Xiaomi Redmi 10C is Corning Gorilla Glass. Vivo Y21 is Corning Gorilla Glass. Operating system. Xiaomi Redmi 10C is Android 11, MIUI 13. Vivo Y21 is Android 11, FunTouch 11.1. Chipset. Xiaomi Redmi 10C is Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 4G. Vivo Y21 is MediaTek Helio P35. Processor. Xiaomi Redmi 10C is octa-core processor. Vivo Y21 is octa-core processor. GPU. Xiaomi Redmi 10C is Adreno 610. Vivo Y21 is PowerVR GA8320. RAM. Xiaomi Redmi 10C is 3GB and 4GB. Vivo Y21 is 4GB. ROM. Xiaomi Redmi 10C is 64GB and 128GB. Vivo Y21 is 64GB and 128GB. Front camera. Xiaomi Redmi 10C is 5MP camera with 1080p video recordings. Vivo Y21 is 8MP wide-angle camera with 1080p video recordings. Back camera. Xiaomi Redmi 10C is 50MP wide-angle, 2MP depth camera with 1080p video recordings. Vivo Y21 is 13MP wide-angle, 2MP macro with 1080p video recordings. Connectivity. Xiaomi Redmi 10C is GSM, HSPA and LTE. Vivo Y21 is 4G and LTE. Battery. Xiaomi Redmi 10C is 5000 mAh. Vivo Y21 is 5000 mAh. Market price. Xiaomi Redmi 10C is 4GB by 128GB. Price is $158. Vivo Y21 4GB by 64GB. Price is $182.